Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best performance settings in Arc Riders. So what you'll need to do is go to the settings and I'll show you the settings. So for the window mode, make sure it is the full screen. Right now I set to borderless because I'm filming this video. And for NVIDIA DLS frame generation, you can try it out, but for me it doesn't work well and it creates like blurry effect, so I don't use it. And if we scroll down, we will see that upscale resolution, it is at full HD. Resolution scaling method, NVIDIA DLSS, and make sure right here to set on auto. For DLSS model, you can try it out, but for me, the CNN works the best. For the field of view, it doesn't matter, doesn't affect FPS. Make sure the motion blur is disabled. And for the NVIDIA RTX global illumination, so if you have RTX, you can use it, but it draws a lot of FPS, so turn it off. And for quality, it is set on custom because view distance is on high, anti-aliasing low, and shadows low, post-processing low, texture high, effects high, reflections low, foliage low, and global illumination resolution is on low too. So these are the settings for FPS and performance in Arc Riders. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.